Hello, my name is Gabriela Garzon and I'm an image consultant with Gigi Image and Etiquette Consulting in Coral Gables, Florida. In this clip, I'm going to talk about how to simplify getting dressed in the morning. We all know that we want to wear everything that's looking crisp and nice and look fashionable. So what I recommend is that you organize your wardrobe in a very easy way to go ahead and mix and match things and just go ahead and pick what it is that you want. If you put your jackets first and you arrange them by color, and then you just put all your skirts and you arrange them by color, the same thing with the trousers and the tops, it will be very easy to just go ahead and pick the things that you want to match. Another thing that I like to do is to put the necklaces and the jewelry already on the tops. So in the morning, you'll already know what goes with what, and you don't have to think very hard of what it is that you're going to wear with the accessories that you're going to wear with your clothes. Another easy thing to do is also to have the very basic type of colors on your shoes. You know, the basic black stiletto, the basic brown, and then of course a neutral color that you know will go with anything that you wear, especially colors. If you do this, you just go ahead and arrange your wardrobe in a very simple way. It will be very easy to dress every morning. Once again, this is Gabriela Garzon at Gigi Image and Etiquette Consulting.